nawe yari plan yawe.
What do you mean ngo yari plan yanjye?
Utambeshye. Urabona hari ahantu namwe nzi?
Ntabwo nakubeshyaga nkubwira ko dusengana. Ikindi urukuje ndakubona. Nagejeje kenshi gushaka kuvugisha ariko mbura aho nabihera.
Urangije ibipanga na Sasha. Hanyuma Sasha wamwishyuye angahe? Ko mbizi ko adakorera ubuntu.
No, ntabwo namwishyuye. It's just kuba yaramfashije bisanzwe ambwira ko umwana mwiza yaduhuza. Ntabwo yari kumenyesheje se?
Ntabwo yabimbwiyeho. Kuko yarabizinze ko aramutse abimbwiye ntabyemera. No offense.
What is in your question to Kavika Kate? I really want to know you.
To know me?
Yeah, to know you, to know each other.
Why?
Just to know you. Maybe actually getting to know you is the start.
A start? A start of what?
You're single and I'm single.
Oh. Hold on. Sasha akubwiye ko ndi single?
Yeah, nicyo kintu cya mbere yambwiye nkimara kumbwira ko nifuza kumenyana nawe.
Babe, is everything okay? What's up, bro?
What's up?
Babe, I'm sorry natinze ariko twajyana nta kibazo.
Yeah, nta kibazo.
Okay.
Okay, please. Ngwino tuve hano hantu. Tujye umuntu dusanga hano.
Hano ibyo njye ntabwo bindeba. Hano ubonye ibintu bimbayeho.
Nabibonye Kate. Nanjye nari mpari. Ariko mbarira nivuze tuve hano hantu, please.
Ese ushaka tujye he? Niba ushaka kunjyana. Kuba igihugu cyose ngiye kiri kuvuga. Abantu bose ninjye bapostinze. Ku munsi w'ubukwe koko. Kandi yala nijoro narayimvuganye neza na Ray. Twavuganye neza. Iki kintu cyamuhinduye. Basi ni iki nakoze?
Nta kintu wakoze Kate. Wagikoze na Mukaritasi mwamugiye gukorana ubukwe.
Ese uko yahisemo kugenza gutya? Sana uri kwiyumvisha ukuntu nsebye. Kumva ukuntu nsebeje umuryango wose. Uri kumva ukuntu mama wanjye ameze. Nuba abakecuru bo mu cyaro amagambo ari bugende bavuga. Basi ntibarazikari muri ibi bintu kubera icyamvugishije neza nijoro. Basi kuki atamakaniye ngo byibuze makaniye abantu kuri telefone bantuka ariko batajana ibintu bigiye kubera. Ana umuntu dupanga n'ubukwe. Ibintu byose tubitegure. Narangiza asige ku munsi w'ubukwe ntazi. Sala we ntabwo uzabona yaba ari.
Nta muntu n'umwe uzahana hari Kate. Ahantu hose twakeka ko yaba ari ntababara. Ahubwo ngwino tuve hano hantu. Please.
Akifata akagenda ku munsi w'ubukwe bwanjye. Ndasebye. Mana ndasebye. Nsebeje umuryango wanjye wose. Umuntu wese tuziranye. sumara ni nk'iki kintu nakoze kuko kuburyo ushobora kumbana gutya.
uraza kumera neza Kate, right?
I don't know. Nkundi kwibaza ikintu Sasha ari gutekereza ntago mbyumva. Uriya mukobwa nukoresha ko afite ikibazo cyo mu mutwe.
Come on Kate. Sasha uramuzi ko nameze nabwo murakarira.
Nise umuntu azahora muri ibi kugeza ryari? Kunjye ari byo maze kurambirwa. Nise ni gute umuntu yifata agashaka kujyana kuri date n'undi muntu atabanje no kumbaza byibuze. Aba na have a boyfriend. None ngo uriya mukobwa ararengera n'ukuri.
You're gonna be fine, Kate.
Yeah, I have to. Ako nyine bino bintu biba bimbabaje pe. Bino bintu biba binyeretse ukuntu Sasha mfata. Ako nyine nta n'ikintunguye. Kuva mbere hose Sasha ntabwo yigeze yemera ko mfite boyfriend.
Wahe ndi mwana mahoro Sasha? Biriya nakoze ntabwo ari byiza. Kuri umuntu wazi Kate kuri icyo uri umutesha umutwe koko.
Ati mama ushaka kugira ngo nceceke simvuge. Mwagiye mundeka nkavuga. Ko mubizi ko mbandi kuvuga ukuri. Kumwege byabanane mwagiye mundeka ngiye nkavuga.
Wagicika se nawe bibasha.
Ariko se ala wowe utabishobora ibintu Kate akora agira ubwenge. Ahubwo se ubona yakore ko yitwara kuriye.
Ese ugiye kuraho iki kataro bikora?
Bideba iki? Wenda njye ntabwo nzi ukuntu mwereka abantu ko mubitayeho. Aho kuri wa mukobwa ubona hari n'inshuti yanjye ikomeye. No kubona ko ibintu biriya by'ubucucu birambabaza cyane kandi atari umuntu wakwiriye kuba atekereza kuri ibi. Ase mbwira ni gute abantu bakundana imyaka ibiri yose batarahura? Gusa ngo bashaka kugira ngo umunsi bazahura bizabe biri special. Ibyo biba special bari biki? Ngiye kumubona nawe utagira n'ubwenge.
Niba ari byo bashaka se, kuri icyo ushaka kwivanga mu rukundo rw'abandi. Ni ikintu bombi bicaye bemeranyaho bakigaho kuri icyo utabiha agaciro.
Njyewe ntabwo ari kuri ambibona. Nyuma mbona Kate nta muntu agira bakundana. Impamvu mupangira umuntu muzima kugira ngo byuze ariko kiriya gihugu.
Ese bikoze ikintu nk'igitekerezo ko Kate abameze? No. Ibaze nawe ufite umuntu mukundana umushuti agatangira gutega abahungu ngo mukundane. Wakiyumva ute? Wakiyumva ute Sasha?
Njye ni ukuri Kate mba mbona. Njye maze kumurambirwa pe. Ese ko kidacika intege basi ngo ibintu bivemo. Erega ntabwo abantu bose baremeye gukundwa.
How are you, Kate?
Nothing. I just think I'm tired. Maybe that's why I'm like this. How are you? How was your day?
My day was good, Kate. Nangiriye mu tuntu twinshi gusa bisa nkaho biri kujya ku murongo.
Kurya nakora ejo bundi se? Ako babe, ubona ntari umugore wihangana?
Why? Gusa urihangana cyane nubwo ntazi impamvu bivuze.
Babe, urabona kubonana kwacu twemereje ko tugomba kubigira ikintu gikomeye. And I wasn't sure I'm gonna make it. Honestly, at the beginning it was hard. Urabyibuka?
It's still hard for me, Kate. I always want to see you, urabizi.
Me too. I want to see you too, babe. Stupid me.
What?
Nothing, babe. It's just every time I cuddle my pillow. I don't know if I've ever told you how much I love to cuddle my pillow. I'm pretty sure you don't want to know what goes in my mind when I'm cuddling my pillow.
Come on now, I want to know.
Reka shana byo nakubwira biteye isoni.
So umusego ni njyewe. Nakuvumbesha. Wumva ari njyewe umusego mvumbase. You like that?
You what?
I like that.
Baby, you crazy. Cyokora nanjye numva ari ibisazi. But that's what goes in my mind every time I cuddle my pillow. What's up, pillow?
What's up? You're just not your shallow.
Yep, from now on.
Bro, chill. Wowe gusa igenda amenye gutwara imodoka. Ntabwo nshaka no kukimenya. N'ubu ntabwo ndishura neza kutayigongesheje nkaba ntabyumvisha. What? Mwayigongesha urimo se n'ubyumve? Nibyo mvuze ko byanaye simbyumva. Okay, madam. Thank you, da. Ndakeka ari ngiye umuntu wese gatwara uno rumodoka rwawe. Ladies first. What? Yeah, ladies first. I'm a lady, but I act like a man. Okay. How about ages before beauty? Ages before beauty. You first. Evil. Ugomba barenga gusaba akantu kamwe ndakwinginze.
No. Narakubwiye kenshi ngo uzane umukozi uzajya ugufasha, you don't listen. Rero ntabwo ndi bugufashe guteka. Nkayoberwa impamvu wambwiye ngo tuzane. Kumbe ushaka kunkoresha.
Cyakoze urihuse mu kuvuga no mu gutekereza ko nakari pe nashaka gusaba.
Ushaka kunsaba iki?
Wenda ndabizi biraza kugora gufata umwanzuro, ariko n'ubundi mu gihe tukiri ku isi tugomba kugorwa. Yeah. Ndabibona ko utari bwongere kuntiza.
Ushaka kujya he?
Si uguhamba bari kongera ukanyizera ukantiza nkajya kuri supermarket ndakwingenza.
Okay. Nta kibazo wowe numa ugireyo, sibyo? Kuko ntabwo ndi bwongeye kuguheza imodoka yanjye guyitwara.
Okay, ntabwo nshaka kukugora rwose. Wowe wicare hariya, watch TV, ubundi ureke ngende nshaka ibya nijoro ndahita ngaruka n'ukuri.
What's wrong with her? Uyese reka tukajyana cyangwa kwiki twanze kugera hano atabanje kubigura.
She's going to like it. Are you kidding me? Tate, this is very romantic.
Do you think so?
Yeah, I know so.
Thanks, Chelsea. Yanza kuba mari basi byari kuba ari byiza cyane.
Here she comes.
Wait, what's going on here? Is that my baby talking to? No way. Traitor. nari nkatangaye ngwino mubwira ikintu ushaka kubwira wanije imodoka yanjye kuri supermarket kumbe wari uri kumugambanira cyakora ejo nari kumutuka uzwi namaze kurakara
I'm sorry nanjye banshutse gusa it's for the better.
It is for the better. I love you, baby. It's okay, baby. You know Gamba in our cones. Oh my, no. You gotta be kidding me. A pillow?
Kate, let's get to there. I promise you are going to have a good time.
Jonathan, baby.
I can tell you gusa banzu nyumve.
Iyo tubyumvise subiza umusego hari.
Yeah, usubizaho and listen to me.
Okay, now because...
Okay, nice. None nshaka iyo ntumwa yanjye kuri icyo gikapu. Okay, don't look.
Ay, kundeba.
I know you can't. You don't look pakamo, please.
Okay, okay.
Now you are going to take a shower, put that on, and you're going to have a dinner just me and you. Ndakeka ubu yamaze kugenda.
Wabimenye rwose. Gusa this is good, Tate.
Thank you, Oluga.
No, you thank you, Tate, for making my best friend happy. You're the best. Gusa ugire rwose uze tukubone.
So ndaza nukuri.
Yeah. Well, nanjye rero reka ntahe ubwo muze kugira ibihe byiza.
Yeah, and thank you for this.
You okay? Ntabwo uzongera kumvugisha se?
What do you want, Morgan?
I'm so sorry, Olga.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, okay. What else do you want me to say? What do you really want? Morgan, kuko twese turabizi ko utaje kunsaba imbabazi.
Ese guha icyo utumva.
What do you mean?
Kuko icyo utakumva ko nje gusaba imbabazi gusa. Kuko ejo nshobora kuba narakubwiye nabi gusa ntabwo ari ikintu nari napanze. Ese ushaka kugaragaza iki hano?
Nta kintu na kimwe nshaka kugaragaza.
Wayo ushaka kugaragaza ko mbanje kureba amafaranga. nyine kumpereza amafaranga.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Gusa nyine sister ku ishuri bari bamwirukanye kandi ku kazi ntabwo baraduhemba. So
Just take the money, Morgan. Ntabwo ari ngombwa kubwira icyo ugiye kuyakoresha.
ejo bundi ariko niba mpemba nzahita njya gusubiza.
Baby, you're amazing, nukuri. Ngaho reba kano gakanzu.
Did you like it?
Baby, are you... Of course I loved it. Blue is my favorite color. Are you kidding me?
Okay, my kid, ngaho reba nereka.
Okay. What? Undeba ahantu mutereka nukuri. And this flower? Oh my God, you're amazing. No, I love you like 1,000 times. Okay. Baby, no, she's imbere yanjye.
Okay. Kate, you know I love you so much. Ndagukunda cyane, Kate. Nizere ko icyo ndayonyishidikanya.
And that pillow? Ntabwo ushobora kubyumva. I love it. I love you, man.
About the pillow. After you told me how much you love to cuddle a pillow, kandi kumuseka buri ngiwe, so I wanted to try and make it real. Byose nuzanye upfumba tujya unambona.
Baby, you can't believe how excited I am right now.
I know, and I'm glad that you are excited.
Baby, you know what? Urabona ko wanshimishije. And nukuri nishimye pe. This is like the best day ever in my life. I wish that you could be here with me. So, this is a special day, right? Isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yes, it is. Kandi twavuze ko kubana kwacu kugomba kuba kuri special. Ikintu ushaka kuvuga uracyumva. Baby, ndashaka ko turebana. Switch to a video call right now. Like, oh no, I want to see you. No, that's the pain.
Kate, are you sure?
Niko kumara barishime kutambonye sunda umukobwa wo mu Rwanda.
Ukoze iki, Kate?
Wabyumvise ko nta kibazo.
None se Kate, utegerejeho neza nta kibazo urumva uyu munsi ariwo wanyawe turebane nta kibazo. Njye nta kintu na kimwe byaba bintu actually uyu munsi wari umunsi wanjye w'amahirwe.
Baby, uyu munsi ni umunsi w'ibyishimo kuri njyewe. Ni nayo mpamvu nashaka ko ibyishimo bihagarara. Ahubwo ndashaka ko uyu munsi w'umunsi udasanzwe tuzahora twibuka. Niyo mpamvu nshaka ko turebana tukagumya twishima.
Okay, gusa nanjye ndagushimiye utunye uyu munsi w'agaciro.
Okay. Wait, let me switch to video call.